Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Here we simplify the toughest parts of U.S. medical billing and help you become an expert AR caller, step by step. In our last video, we learned what the timely filing limit, or TFL, means, why it's so important, and how you could lose your full claim payment if you submit your claim after the timely filing limit, or TFL. But in this video, we are taking things one step further. I'll show you exactly how to handle timely filing limit, or TFL denials step by step, using real call examples, along with pre-call analysis and preparation techniques that every AR caller must know. So, before we move ahead in this video, let us quickly understand the basics about what a TFL denial is and why it happens. After that, we will go through 6 essential steps for pre-call analysis to help you resolve TFL denials effectively. Then, we will move on to a live mock call with the insurance company to resolve a TFL denial, where we will cover 3 different real-world scenarios of TFL denials. Finally, we will wrap up by learning what actions to take after speaking with the insurance representative to make sure your claim gets processed correctly. Let us start with timely filing denials. A timely filing denial, or CO-29, occurs when an insurance company does not receive your claim within its allowed time frame, which is your timely filing limit, or TFL. Every insurance company gives you a specific time limit to submit your medical claim after the date of service. If you miss that time frame limit, even by a single day, the insurance company can legally deny the payment. But remember, the TFL countdown starts from the date of service, not from the date you submit the claim. And here's the catch. The insurance company counts the TFL from the date they receive your claim, not the date you send it. So even if you submitted it electronically and it took 2 days to reach them, those 2 days still count against you. For example, you have United Healthcare Insurance, and its timely filing limit is 1 year. Your date of service is January 1st, 2025. That means your medical claim must reach the insurance company by December 31st, 2025. If it arrives on January 1st, 2026, it is already late, and your claim will be denied. In the EOB or ERA, you will see denial messages like, claim filed after the timely filing limit, TFL expired, filing limit exceeded, with denial code CO-29. But not all TFL denials are final. Some can actually be reopened, appealed, or overturned if handled correctly. Now, let us dive into the key steps of pre-call analysis and uncover why TFL denials actually happen, so you know exactly what every AR caller should do before reaching out to the insurance company. Pre-call analysis is one of the most important parts of denial management. It helps you prepare all the right details before making that crucial call, saving time, avoiding confusion, and ensuring your conversation with the payer is productive and result-oriented. Let's go step by step. And first, we check the denial reason code. The EOB, or ERA, usually flags timely filing as CO-29, which means the claim was received after the payer's filing limit. This tells you that the payer believes the claim was filed late, but before you accept that, you need to verify it. Once you confirm it's truly a TFL denial, move to the next step, which is investigation. In this step, you compare the date of service, DOS, and the claim submission date. This comparison helps you calculate whether the claim really crossed the payer's timely filing limit or not. If it seems close, don't assume. Always double-check with the payer's policy. Now comes the next important step, which is checking the payer's TFL policy, because every insurance company has a different timely filing limit. Some allow 90 days, others 180 days, and some even up to 12 months. Make sure you confirm the exact timeline based on that insurance company and the specific plan type. This clarity prevents unnecessary appeal denials later. After that, review the clearinghouse or EDI reports for your proof of timely filing, also known as POTF. These include clearinghouse acceptance reports, claim transmission logs, or payer acknowledgement receipts. Such reports act as solid evidence if you need to appeal a denial later, especially when the claim was originally sent on time. Next, check for prior claim rejections or returns. Sometimes the claim was submitted within the TFL window, but it got rejected due to missing or incorrect data. Go back and review any earlier claim rejection messages from the payer or clearinghouse. If that's the case, your first submission proof will be your most potent weapon to overturn the denial. Finally, gather all supporting documents before you call the insurance company representative to keep everything ready, including your EOB, claim copy, clearinghouse proof, payer rejection letters, and any internal notes. When you're well prepared, you speak with confidence and clarity. It shows professionalism and makes your conversation with the payer result-driven. Once you've completed these pre-call steps, you'll clearly understand why the TFL denial occurred and whether it can be reopened, appealed, or adjusted. This preparation not only boosts your accuracy, but also builds your credibility as an AR caller who knows precisely what they're doing. Now that we've completed the pre-call analysis and gathered all required documents and details, let's listen to a realistic mock call between an experienced AR caller and an insurance representative. This will show you how to handle a timely filing denial step by step, confidently and professionally. The first scenario of this mock call is claim filed timely but denied incorrectly. So, listen carefully and understand how an AR caller follows up, gets the denied claim reopened, and ensures successful payment.
Thank you for calling Blue Cross Blue Shield Provider Services. This is Sarah. How may I help you today?
Hi Sarah, good morning. This is Alex from Medcare Solutions. I'm calling to check the claim status for our patient John Miller and its date of service March 5th, 2025. The claim number is BC12345. Could you please check the status for me?
Sure. May I have your tax ID or NPI number?
Yes, our tax ID is 4589012344. NPI is 11234567890, and the provider's name is Dr. John Peterson.
Thank you for sharing your verification details. Please hold on for a moment while I pull up the account and patient information. Thank you for holding. I see that the claim was denied with the code CO29, which means the timely filing limit was exceeded. The claim was received on June 20th, 2025, but the filing limit for this plan is 90 days from the date of service.
Got it. I just reviewed our internal records, and we actually submitted this claim electronically on April 25th, 2025, which is well within the 90-day filing limit. Our clearinghouse status report shows that your payer system accepted the file on the same date. Could you please verify whether that transmission successfully reached your clearinghouse or payer system?
Let me check the file. Yes, you're right. The claim was received on time, but it was stuck in our clearinghouse queue and didn't move forward for processing.
Thank you for clarification. So since it was submitted within the filing window, can you please reprocess the claim for payment consideration?
Yes, I'll send the claim for reprocessing. Please allow 30 business days for completion.
Perfect. Thank you, Sarah. Could I please have the claim number and call reference number for my records?
Sure. The claim number is AP123456, and the call reference number is 897555.
Thank you so much for your help, Sarah. I've noted both numbers. I really appreciate your time today. Have a great day ahead.
You're very welcome, Alex. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Take care.
That's exactly how a professional AR caller handles a TFL denial call. Did you notice how Alex first confirmed the denial reason, then verified the payer's timely filing policy, and finally presented valid proof of timely submission, all while requesting the claim to be reprocessed confidently and politely, with complete documentation ready? This structured and professional approach saves valuable time, eliminates unnecessary back and forth, and builds strong credibility with payer representatives. Now let's move to another scenario, which is missing information with a new mock call. Listen to it carefully.
Thank you for calling Blue Cross Blue Shield Provider Services. This is Sarah. How may I help you today?
Hi, Sarah. Good morning. This is Alex from Medcare Solutions. I'm calling to check the claim status for our patient, John Miller, with a date of service of March 5th, 2025. The claim number is BC12345. Could you please check the status for me?
Sure. May I have your tax ID or NPI number?
Yes, our tax ID is 4589012344. NPI is 123456780, and the provider's name is Dr. John Peterson.
Thank you for sharing your verification details. Please hold on for a moment while I pull up the account and patient information. Thank you for holding. I see that the claim was denied with code CO29, which means the timely filing limit was exceeded. The claim was received on June 20th, 2024, but the filing limit for this plan is 90 days from the date of service.
Got it. I just reviewed our internal records, and we actually submitted this claim electronically on April 25th, 2025, which is well within the 90-day filing limit. I also have the clearinghouse acceptance report showing that your payer system accepted the file on that same date. Could you please check whether that earlier submission was received in your system or was rejected for some reason?
Let me check the file. Yes, you're right. The claim was received on time, but it was rejected on the front-end system because the rendering provider NPI was missing.
Thank you for the clarification. Just to confirm, since we submitted the claim within the time limit and the rejection happened on your side, can we send an appeal with the clearinghouse report and the rejection message as our proof of timely filing?
Yes, that's correct. You can send a timely filing appeal along with the clearinghouse acknowledgement report, the rejection message, and a copy of the original claim and EOB. Once we receive it, our review team will verify the documentation and reopen the claim if the submitted proof supports your case.
Perfect. Thank you, Sarah. And could you please provide the fax number or mailing address to which we should send the appeal?
Yes, you can send the timely filing appeal by fax to 1-800-745-6238 and address it to the Claim Review Department. Make sure to write timely filing appeal clearly on the cover sheet. Also include the claim number, patient's name, and date of service so the payer can easily identify the case.
Got it. I'll make sure we include all the documents and send them right away. Just to summarize, this claim was denied as CO29 for timely filing, but since we have proof that our first submission was within the limit, we'll fax the appeal to the clearinghouse and include the rejection proof for reconsideration.
That's correct, Alex. Once you send it, please allow 30 business days for review and reprocessing.
Thank you so much, Sarah, for your help and for explaining it clearly. You've been really kind and professional.
You're welcome, Alex. Have a great day ahead.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye.
Let's understand what just happened. Alex handled this call in a calm, clear, and professional manner. He did not argue. He confirmed details, verified facts, and followed the payer's procedure. Here's what he did right. He confirmed the denial reason. The denial code is CO29 for timely filing limit. He compared the date of service and the claim submission date. He checked the clearinghouse reports and asked about any prior rejections. He collected the fax details for the appeal submission. Because Alex was well prepared before the call, he spoke with confidence. He didn't waste time. And he showed the payer that he understands the process well. That's how you turn a denial into an opportunity for recovery. Now, we have 2 more scenarios left for our mock calls. One is claim filed to the wrong payer, and the other is claim filed after the timely filing limit. You can watch both of these in our playlist titled Live Follow-Up Calls on Denial Scenarios. This playlist covers almost all the most common denial situations you will face as an AR caller, along with realistic call examples, to help you clearly understand how to handle and resolve denied claims effectively. Click on the I button at the top right corner of this video to visit the playlist now and continue your learning journey. All right, everyone. Before we wrap up this scenario, let us talk about something every AR caller must do after every single call, and that is document everything. Now, you might think, why is documentation so important when I have already handled the call? It is because in revenue cycle management, or RCM, accurate documentation is your most substantial proof. It protects both you and your organization from repeated denials, confusion, or loss of revenue. So, as an AR caller, always document every detail in your billing software, such as denial code, for example, CO29 for timely filing, date and time of the call reference number, name of the insurance representative, key notes from your discussion, such as fax details, appeal instructions, or submission advice. Remember, insurance companies handle thousands of calls every day. If you ever need to follow up or escalate a case again, your notes are the only reliable record you will have to pick up where you left off. So, always keep your records clean, your notes detailed, and your next follow-up will always be smooth and professional, just like the one displayed on the video screen. If this lecture added value to your learning, show your support by hitting the like button and share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone eager to start their career in RCM as an AR caller. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, your one-stop place to learn real-time AR calling skills, denial handling, and complete RCM knowledge with practical examples.